Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I've been absent for a bit because my gallbladder decided to try and kill me, and then I ended up in the ER, and then the next day I had an operation, and I spent a few days in the hospital as they gave me antibiotics. But yeah, it was a lot of pain, but it's over. Anyways, I've been every once in a while I go out, I've been picking up packs of cards, just random cards. Some of these are retail, some of these are hobby. So I figured I'd just do one massive video and have a lot of fun just opening up a random packs of cards, as I've seen it done by other people. It has also been redemption time, so I figured I'd show you what I got for redemptions. I had only three redemptions that I had to send in this year. I've already shown earlier in the year. I got this a while ago. The Eastern Conference from MVP. So those are those cards from that conference. It has the like of Sam Lafferty, Emil Benstrom, Joel Farabee, Morgan Frost, Capocaco, Jack Hughes, Martin Fehervary, and Noah Dobson. So I'm sure I've shown that in another video, but I just figured I'd pop them out again because I got two other redemptions back. And the other two redemptions I got back was my very first hobby box I bought. I got a Quinn Hughes dual patch, just gold. But I got also in that box a redemption for Victor Olafsson's gold dual patch. So that was a nice box, to be honest with you. My very first hobby box. I got Victor Olafsson and Quinn Hughes. I think I got a Taylor Hall one too as well in that box. And then my other redemption is an autograph from O-Pee-Chee. It's Noah Dobson. So he has a nice autograph, I find. So those are my three redemptions I got this year. So let's get into busting open these packs. So what's random pack opening without a score? 20, 12, 13. I mean, I think I'm gonna have to make it a rule. I know nobody wants these and nobody's really interested, but I think I'm gonna make it a rule that every time I do a random pack order, I need to at least have one of these in it. So anyways, just because they just seem to be everywhere. So if I can get into them, there we go. So card number one is in the Western Conference, Thomas Holstrom, Dan Girardi, David Jones, Gabriel Bourque, Jamie Benn, and a hot rookie of Andrew Jowdry. And then Teemu Selanne. It's kind of cool. Season highlights. He's a beloved player of the Jets fandom. So then we got, this is just a retail pack as well. This is I guess it's 910 Fleer Ultra. I don't think I've ever opened Fleer myself. So that's all I have to go. I don't have that pack yet, so let's grab it. They're kind of nice. This is Olli Jokinen of the Flames. Kind of nice looking cards, actually. Fleer Ultra. This is Brett Bourne. And I don't know what this is. Rookie Redemption. Ultra Rookie. I have no idea. I have no idea if I can even redeem this. I have no idea what this is. So, an NHL player Ultra Rookie card has been reserved for you, and your selection will be revealed when you register your code. Okay, I have no idea what it is. Red 203. I guess I could go online. I mean, this was 2010, so. And I got a gold of Robin Regehr. These are actually nice looking cards. I like these actually, these Fleer Ultras. Yeah, they're nice. And Kovalchuk, Ilya. And the old Thrasher jersey. And Martin Turco. I have to say, I've never opened Fleer, but I like them. They're nice looking cards. 10 years ago. Oh yeah. And we got O-Pee-Chee. Collect the entire 600 card set. So I got that. I'm pretty sure I was buying a book on The Wheel of Time, one of those books in that series, because they're making a TV show from chapters. I'm pretty sure that's why I picked that up. So O-Pee-Chee, what year is this? Am I this year or what? 1920. We have Matt Calvert, Colton Perico, Nico Hischier, Ryan Hartman. Yeah, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. I am okay with that one. It's one of those throwbacks, I think. Matthew Barzal, Brad Marchand. Put him aside so he doesn't lick anybody. Marcus Nutivera. Okay, now we have, next up, in this order, I just threw them in order. They'll be mixed up with hobby and retail. These are hobby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 MVP 1920 hobby packs. My wife picked up some of these too, which is probably why I ended up with more of some than others. But let's see. What do we get in MVP? Marcus Johansson, Devin Dubnyk, Ryan Johansson, and a Max Jones silver script. Kind of nice. And a laser shot to Patrick Kane. My computer graphics and sound effects are awesome. Brad Marchand. Oh look, you can lick yourself. William Carlson. And Damon Severson. Nice. It's been a while since I opened MVP. I think I only opened one hobby pack of this hobby box. It's kind of nice to get two inserts, silver strips in the Adam Henrik, Tyson Berry, Kyle Palmieri, Nick Ritchie, and this is one of those puzzle packs. Tyler Toffoli, puzzle back. He's on LA. Teuvo Teravainen, Rasmus Dahlin, and Seth Jones. Okay, MVP pack number 3. Come on, if I can get into it. I'll watch you guys. Just have you guys just stare on me as I fumble through these. Jeez. Alright. There's a solution to every problem. Okay, we have Braden Holtby. He seems to be the guy in net for Washington this time, huh? Timmy Panarin, Connor Hellebuck. Hopefully he wins the Vezina. And another puzzle back, TJ Brody. Oh, Elias Peterson, Stanley Cup edition. I like that. Sweet. I'm okay with that one. Blake Wheeler, one of my favorite players. Mark Stone, another one of my favorite players. And Brian Russ, who has a career year this year with the Penguins. I think he's like 56 points or something when the season ended. Now that hockey's back, I get to see these stats again. Nick Leddy, Jonathan Taves, Jimmy Howard, and another puzzle back. I have no idea who. Asia shots of Victor Hedman. I think I have that one. Linus Ullmark, Claude Giroux, and Elias Pettersson again. Let's see, is the pictures the same? Yeah, I think they just zoomed up in it. Zoomed in. Yeah, it looks like the letters in the back are the same. It's just silver script. Zoomed out a little bit. What else we find in these? I'm not sure these packs were all bought at the same spot. I've been just picking up a few from here and there. Matt Murray, Colton Parayko, Andreas Johnson, Nico Hischier, Patrick Kane, PK Subban, Sam Reinhart, Andrew Shaw. I think that was all base there, huh? I had to get I think I want to go for those Stanley Cup editions. I think I'd like to nail those. Look at my camera a little bit. Jacob Trouba, Tyler Johnson, Alex Pietrangelo, the rookie Rudolph Bossos, and a silver script of stop them all over the place, of DJ Oshie. And Ryan McDonough, Josh Morrissey, hey, Brady Tkachuk, sweet. I think I have most of these. I think in the whole set, I think I'm missing one card. And no, I mean in the base set, no. I definitely don't have all the silver scripts. Nobody's near it. Or all the rookies. I don't think. Chris Tierney, Thomas Hortel, Thomas Chabot, just like to do in a roll call, Nikita Kucherov, and a net crasher of Nathan McKinnon, Vincent Trocheck, Nicholas Backstrom, and Travis Konechny. 2 more packs of these left. Let's just use this to get through these quicker. Still have trouble getting into them. We have Jaden Schwartz, Robin Leno. I wonder where he's going to end up. Seems to be turning his career around. Jacob Verana, Johnny Boychuk, Puzzleback. Oh, what's that? We're beginning. Oh, A. I don't know. I'm gonna say Anthony, but isn't that last name? Hey, look at this thing. I got a 1 of 1. Look at that, Carter Hart. Printing plate. That's my second printing plate. I got in when it's series 1 or 2. I got a Phil Kessel printing plate. Huh. And so that's so I got a series 1 and 2 printing plate, and I got an MVP printing plate. I did not expect to get these in a random packs. My wife is like, she has a horseshoe up her butt. That's neat. I didn't even know they had those for MVP. Charlie Coyle, Mike Hoffman, John Gibson. That's kind of neat. I did not expect to find one of those. Hopefully this break continues to show nice fun things. Duke Garask, Evgeny Malkin, TJ Oshie, another, I don't got too many of these. I think this is my 3rd one of all this. Silver script of Logan Couture. And my 2nd Stanley Cup edition, Evgeny Kuznetsov, Oscar Klefbom, Matthew Tkachuk, and Matthew Barzal. So that was the fun of the MVP. So I'm just gonna put this stack. Might as well just plop it right there. Okay, so we're just gonna move into the next pile. So this one here is a hobby pack of 14-15. I couldn't tell you guys. I didn't look into it. Who the young gun to be chasing in 14-15. I assume if I know a big name, I'm gonna go, oh, that must be him. Let's just see what we get. Becca Rene. This is what the 14-15s look like. Becca Rene. Ray Emery. Rest in peace, Ray Emery. Sad to hear him when he passed away. Sean Horkoff. And I got a Joe Sakic Hockey Heroes. That's kind of interesting. This is the back of the card. Ryan Johansson. And it looks like it's some kind of parallel, but it's just the lighting. Jeff Zatkov. Oh, is that, yeah. I think it's just a base card. Milan Lucic when he was on Boston. And we have a Series 1 checklist. Oh, now I can see who I need. So that was 14-15 hobby pack of Series 1. We're going to go into, I think I'll put these in order of year, to be honest with you. This one, I don't see it saying hobby on it, so I think this is just the retail pack. 15-16, I think. This is opening up nicely enough. So we got Andre Burakovsky, Craig Smith, P.A. Parento, and a Connor Brickley Mucky rookie. Wasn't very exciting. Jacob Jefferson. Oh, what's this? Nothing. Boone Jenner, my favorite name in hockey. Jordan Stahl, and Jason Palmerville. Okay, let's see what's next. Let's see. Hobby. This one's a hobby pack. So 17-18 hobby. Find a young gun. Haven't got one of those yet, huh? In those last 3 packs. Let's hunt down the young gun. We'll begin with Brad Marchand. Did I? Oh yeah, look at that. I got a pie over here. He gets to go lick himself again. Series checklist. So I guess I have both the checklists on this now, huh? Oh no, actually, no, this is a new year. I'm confusing myself. Henrik Sedin, Dustin Brown, Brett Hall, Centennial Standouts. Don't think I've seen one of these myself before, so it's kind of cool. 1986, 87, 05, 06. Brett Hall, everybody knows he was quite the player. Valtteri Filppula, Jason Garrison, Trevor Lewis. Oh, no young guns yet. And this one here is another hobby pack of 17-18 Series 2. Now, when you buy them like this, you may not get any young guns. That's kind of why it's kind of nice to buy the boxes and whatnot, because you're guaranteed your chase hits. Colin Wilson. Oh, what year was this one? Did I even say that? This one here was 14-15. I don't think I might have went back in time. 14-15 hobby. I think it's this one, huh? No, I don't know. I don't know which one I just opened. Maybe I should just read the back of the card. No, it's 17-18. 17-18. Which is hobby. This one, I guess. Yeah. Not even thinking anymore. It's late. Patrick Eves. Alex Ovechkin. It's got a nice picture. Valentin Zykov. That's a young gun. Couldn't tell you who this guy was though. But a young gun. Kevin Shattenkirk. Eric Goodbranson. Kyle O'Connell. Evgeny Dadonov. Okay, moving on, moving up the years to 18-19. I don't see that this one has hobby written on it anywhere, so I think it's just a retail pack. But you can still nail the young guns in the retail pack. Let's see, we got Keith Yandel. Yeah, I like these. It's easy to read. Little squiggly stuff. Alexander Wenborg. Joel Pavelski. And a young gun of Zach Aston Reese. Wasn't he quite promising? I recognize his name. I don't know if he's living up to it though. But I think he was a promising prospect when he was forced touted, but I don't know what he is now. Jake Allen, Patrick Borglin, Jonathan Taves, Ryan Pulock. Those are 2 young guns. Next one, another 18-19 series 2. I don't know if I've been saying that when I've been opening these. Okay. Nikita Kucherov, Cody Eakin, Zach Bogosian, and a Matthew Joseph Marquee rookie, Marcus Johansson, Oli Mata, Mateusz Janmark, and Max Pacioretty. I bet you the Habs fans are liking that deal for Nick Suzuki, but now. Okay, this one is 1819 Series 1. Looks like it's a retail pack as well. Justin Schultz, Eric Hula. That's a nice card. Mikko Koivu. I like that. Connor McDavid. There's 97 down there. I guess they put the number down on all of them, huh? Yep, number 9. Oh, I never noticed that. And a UD canvas of Sean Couturier. I like the canvas cards, so that's nice. Travis Hominick, Vladimir Tarasenko, Nolan Patrick. We're not going to go through a run through of the hits or anything. There's a lot of packs here. I think 30 of them in total. So we have John Gibson doing the pretty photo. Sam Reinhart, Jack Roslovic, Pavel Zacha, and a young gun of Oscar Lindblom, and 3 young guns. Alex Tuck, man, what a goal he just scored tonight. I just got finished watching that Vegas Yotes game, and just like they playing it every day, huh? Andrew Burakovsky and Andre Palat. Right on the red line, pretty much. 1920 Upper Deck Series 1. Carter Hart. Yanni Gord. Mikhail Granlund. Brian Rust. Duncan Keith. Well, I should move these over here, I guess. Jeff Petrie, like every card sideways. Tom Wilson. And Robert Thomas. I think that was my only base pack of all these. Even though I only got 3 Young Guns, I think, so far. I think that was my only base pack of all these Series 1 and Series 2. I think these are retail as well. Tyler Bozak. Man, are all of them sideways? Leo Komarov. Nolan Patrick. Philip Grubel. Oh, young gun at Tero Hirose. 4 young guns. Daniel North. Evander Kane. And Brendan Dillon. I love my stacking all these different years of Series 1 and 2 in the same pile. Interesting for my eyes to read the back of the dates on these. Yeah, I need a new prescription. When I'm sorting them out, I'm going to have a hard time. Danny DeKaiser. Matthias Ekholm. Mark Starr. And a Jonathan Huberdeau UD portrait. I think I have that one. Bobby Ryan. William Nylander in green. Marcus Foligno. And Sidney Crosby. I think it was all basic, no? No, that portrait. I'm not a big fan of the Series 1, Series 2 portrait. They're better and, of course, it's higher end product, but, well, this one has a security tag, so I guess no Young Gun. No. Stature. Those new Stature things. They're nice looking cards. Mike Hoffman. Connor Sherry, Casey Zizekas, a lot of sideways cards in the set. Andrei Svechnikov, John Gabriel Peugeot, Teuvo Teravainen, Jake DeBrusk, and Shea Theodore. No surprise when you find a security tag that It'll just be a base pack. Okay, now we're gonna go on. This is the next pack. I never opened Synergy 1920. So just 3 cards. I think my wife picked this one up for me, and she has a horseshoe, so I don't even know what I'm trying to hit in this. So let's just, I only have the 1 card, 1 pack, I think. Let's just see what we find. Okay, Synergy looks like this. Taylor Hall on the Devils. Interesting looking card. It has the acetate color. I don't know. I didn't look into these. I don't know. Oh, it has a little redemption, maybe a bounty thing. Oh, since I never really collected Synergy, I didn't really look into them. But it's a red thing, red parallel maybe. And then we got one of these rookie journeys. It's numbered to 799 of Carl Grundstrom. And then we got Austin Matthews, Millennial Impact. Yeah, I think I know why I didn't really care for these cards. I don't really like the look of them that much. I mean, that is interesting, but it's like it's thicker here and thinner on this acetate area. Here's my pack of Synergy. I just lost my Synergy virginity. I better not lose that pack I opened up, because I like to collect the packs of when I open them for the first time. I'm going to switch this order because this is SP Authentic Hobby Pack, and this is SP Authentic Retail. So let's open the SP Authentic Retail initially. See what we find in there. You can get an autograph. I mean, only bought 1 pack, so what are the odds of that? 1 pack in this. Philip Grubauer, Morgan Riley, and I got a Rookie Authentic of Adam Boqvist, Joe Thornton, and Temi Panarin. Nothing too exciting there. And this is I think this is has a decoy in it or something. It'd be awesome if it's a patch. These things, you get these things in it. I'm gonna reach up and grab them. Yeah, these are the patches you can find in these cards. I got this one in the first box I bought of actually I can't remember. Maybe I have to watch the video again. It's online. Can't remember if I found these in the same box or not. But this was a extra pack. So anyways, let's see what we can find in this. Oh, I just noticed the time in this video. I spent spending 27 minutes on this. No, it's just a decoy. Doesn't mean we won't get an autograph though. But we'll see. Connor McDavid, Claude Giroux, and a Chris Letang. This is the issue I have with these though. Like, this is an NHL All-Star, so it's better than just a base friggin' update. Oh well. Romeo C. and Braden Shen. Kind of a blah blah blah. Okay, the last couple packs are going to be OPG Hobby. Okay, Elias Lindholm. These are the OPGs. These are nice looking cards. And Julien Gauthier. Man, this guy's following me lately. I have his autograph twice. Sticker and now I have him here. And Libor Hajek, throwback rookie thing. And Erik Karlsson. Now, when I bought these, I only grabbed 3 packs though, but apparently it's a new box that was open. And the guy at the store told me that the auto still hasn't been bought yet. So, we'll find out. Marquee rookie of Kirby Doc. We'll find out. I mean, we may not find out, but we may hit it. Matt Duchene. Rookie throwback, whatever they call these, retro rookies of Jesper Vollquist and Alex Ovechkin. The last pack in this massive multi-pack break of retail and hobby mixo. And we have marquee rookie of Max Jones, Max Domi, Derek Stepan, and Robin Leno. So, no autograph. Yeah, so that's the hit. I have to say, in all of these packs, this was the hit of the box, I think. This hit of the box. Hit of the multi-pack. The 1 of 1. Caught hot. Okay. You guys have a good one. I think it was, yeah, and all that, it was 4 Young Guns and a bunch of inserts and base cards. So have a good one. Talk to you next time.